curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Ever wonder how a quadcopter seemingly defies gravity? Welcome to the science of drones. Most drones are quadcopters. They rely on 4 rapidly spinning rotors to achieve stable flight. Propellers act like wings. Their curved airfoil shape is specifically designed to push air downward. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Pushing air down physically pushes the drone up. When this upward push, called lift, becomes stronger than Earth's gravity, the drone takes off. To maintain a stable hover, the drone balances the upward lift to exactly match the downward pull of gravity. But spinning a propeller creates torque, a rotational force that makes the drone's body spin backward. To effectively cancel this out, 2 propellers spin clockwise and the other 2 spin counterclockwise. To move forward, the rear rotors spin faster. The drone tilts down, creating forward pitch. This tilt redirects the lift slightly backward, generating the forward thrust needed to propel the drone. Speeding up the right side rotors tilts the drone left. This sideways movement is called roll. To spin in place, the drone changes the speed of diagonal pairs. This rotation is yaw. Keeping this balanced is impossible for humans. A microchip called the flight controller makes micro adjustments instantly. It uses an inertial measurement unit to constantly measure gravity and acceleration hundreds of times per second. Understanding these precise physics allows us to use drones for deliveries, search and rescue, and scientific exploration. Remember, drones use counter-rotating propellers to generate lift and alter their speed to control pitch, roll, and yaw. Aviation is a precise balance of physics. Stay curious and take flight. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.